A car has two wipers which do not overlap. Each wiper has a blade of length 25 centimeter sweeping through an angle of 115 degree. Find total area cleaned at each sweep of the blades. It is very real life problem. You all will have come across such experiences in your life. For calculation purpose, you consider car front shield or front glass as rectangle. Okay. And there are two wipers. I will show one wiper here and one wiper here. These are called wiper blades. You know, in rainy season, when it starts to rain, the wipers will be made on and these blades will start to oscillate about their mean positions like this, and they will keep cleaning the glass. So both glass will start oscillating like this, left, right, and they will keep cleaning the glass. Blade means these lines shown to you here, which will be having some rubber part on it, and the length of these blades is given as 25 centimeter, and each of them are oscillating about 115 degree. So here angle made is 115 degree. Here also angle made is 115 degree. So what do these look like? Can anyone tell me? What do these areas look like? Radius of sector is equal to 25 centimeter. Angle of sector is equal to 115 degree. Number of sectors is equal to 2. So area swept will be now equal to 2 times area of one sector. Area swept will be equal to 2 times area of one sector. Okay, so right now total area cleaned is equal to 2 into area of one sector, that is equal to 2 into theta by 360 into pi r square, that is 2 into 115 divided by 360 into 22 by 7 into 25 into 25. Simplify this. We'll do like this then. So 23 into 11 into 625. From here we are taking 23 into 11 into 625 divided by 18 into 7. 23 into 11 is 253, and then 625 as it is, multiplying 253 with 625, we get 158125. So 158125 divided by 18 into 7, that is equal to 158125 divided by 126 cm square. Right?